What's up, guys? Welcome back to Koby Sneaks. Today we are looking at the brand new Golf LaFleur and Converse Chuck 70 highs. Now, these shoes here just came out today, November 15th, in North America at least. I'm not sure about the rest of the world, but in North America, they came out today. They retail for a price of $100 US, or up here in Canada, $130 Canadian. Now, if we take a look at the box here, we see that on the top we have the classic Golf LaFleur and Converse branding with the pink top box. And then on the side here, we have the Converse tag, which, you know, standard issue, size 11, my size. The style code for these shoes, which is 163170C. The model, of course, the Chuck 70 High. And then the color code, which is kind of funny for this one, it's called the Parchment, Egret, and Black. I have no idea what egret is. I can guess what parchment is. It's like a light tan color, kind of like parchment paper, and then black is just black. So parchment, egret, and black. So without further ado, let's get inside this box. Pretty standard issue box here. Not much to it, just the shoes inside the box. Unlike the Lows that we just unboxed before, you might have seen that video. I'll put it somewhere over here. The Lows, they came with the matching burlap sack with the shoes inside the burlap sack. That was kind of cool. In this box, just the shoes. And here they are. Alright, let's get this box out of the way here. Alright, now let's dive in deep into the shoes and give you a proper review. Now, starting with the upper of this shoe, this upper is comprised of more of a retro canvas feel, and the canvas is truly a classic canvas color. These shoes come with two different laces. The one that comes on the shoe is a matching canvas light tan color, but they also come with, I can show you here, they also come with this light blue color which matches with the details of the shoe. Now, both the left and the right shoe are slightly different. Both shoes on the inside of them, so on the inside of your feet, they feature the Converse All-Star logo. That's pretty classic, screen printed on the actual canvas itself, and the colorway of that is just the white, the baby blue, and the brown. Now, on the outer of the right shoe, you have Golf LaFleur written backwards, kind of like how Comme des Garçons and Supreme used to do their backwards logos and stuff like that. Very reminiscent of that, and kind of reminiscent actually of some off-white shoes putting the name kind of on the actual material itself. I like that, and again, that's in a matching brown color to match the midsole and the colors of the text on the Converse All-Star logo. And then on the outside of the left shoe, we have the Golf LaFleur and Converse flower, or yeah, that's the flower. Yeah, the flower logo screen printed in brown on the canvas. Now, primarily the midsole of these shoes is a cream color, kind of the same color as the canvas, but they also have a stripe of brown to match the other various details of the shoe, and then again, another matching stripe of that baby blue color there. And then the sole of the shoe, again, my favorite part of these shoes is a matching blue and brown floral rubber print. Now, unlike the Lows, the burlap curry Lows that just came out, these have eyelets that are just the traditional kind of brushed silver finish. The Lows have that brown rubbery finish. These have a traditional brushed silver finish, just like in most Converse shoes. Alright, enough of me talking. Let's get these on the feet and see them in action. So, let's bring it back in. Is this a Koby Cop or a Koby Drop? Now, honestly, for me, I'm not a fan of high-top Converse. They're not really for me. I like more of a low-top sneaker myself. So, for me personally, these are a Koby Drop. I do love the colors, and I do love the printed backward text here. But just for me personally, I'm not a high-top sneaker fan. So, honestly, for me, it's a drop. But let me put myself in your shoes. If you're somebody that loves Converse high-top sneakers, loves the Chuck 70 highs, and you love that neutral tone with a little hint or flare of color with the baby blue, then this is a definite cop. These are such a nice piece if you love high-top sneakers. Not too loud, not too crazy, but distinctive enough to know that that is the Golf LaFleur Converse. Alright, that's it guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe. And I want to hear more of your feedback on what you want to hear more of in the videos, what you want to hear less of, if you want to hear me shut up, talk more, all that down in the comments. I love to hear your feedback. And so, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.